Hi guys, this is Priyanka and today I am in this getup and barefaced without any makeup because I have to review this Etude House 0.2 mm sheet mask. It's a hyaluronic acid one. So let's begin. It comes in a simple packaging like many other sheet masks. Nothing fancy. I like the simple packaging style. On the front of the product you can see the brand name, quantity, variant which is hyaluronic acid. On the back of the packaging you can see the date of manufacture, date of expiry, ingredients list, instructions and all the details that you need to know. There's a notch here on the mask which you can tear to apply the sheet mask. It tears very easily. Once you open the packet, you should remove the sheet mask from the packet and apply it on your face. But before that, you must make sure that your face is thoroughly cleansed and you have not applied any other product on your face. You can apply a toner which is recommended, but nothing else than that. So now let's just quit blabbering and apply the sheet mask. I can already see that the sheet mask is like totally drenched in the serum and I can feel that it is very thin, which is a good thing by the way. Take out the sheet mask. It's totally drenched in serum. Don't let even a single drop go to waste. Just apply it on your face beforehand, before applying the mask. Let me put my hair back. Yeah, better. Now whatever is dripping down, I'm gonna apply on my face first before applying the mask. It's okay, everything is gonna get absorbed very nicely. One drop did fall. Okay, let's just open it fast before all of it falls on the ground. It's very thin, guys. Try to apply it on your face as nicely as possible. The more the sheet mask comes in contact with the skin, the better it is for moisturization. Now leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Also don't leave the sheet mask on for a long time because once it starts drying up, it is not giving you any benefit, rather sucking up back the moisture that it gave you. So remove it just before it starts drying up. Also use the extra serum for neck, hands and legs, wherever you want to apply it on your body. Removing the mask after 15 to 20 minutes, you gotta massage your face with the remaining serum, very gently of course. Take your time while massaging. This is one of the things I love about applying a sheet mask is I get to massage my face and neck afterwards. Can you see guys, my face is like totally red here. I have this tingling sensation on my face and then I like no, it can't be the sheet mask. Then I went and looked into the mirror and my whole face is red. The camera is not even picking up that much redness, but it's itching and I'm gonna go and wash my face now and apply some aloe vera gel before this redness increases and then I'll be back. I just applied a lot of aloe vera gel on my face just to calm down the skin. I can still feel a little bit of burning sensation underneath. My skin is sensitive but it does not really do this, like it becomes red and inflamed and even like it happened in an instant. The moment I removed the sheet mask and started massaging my face, it was red. like totally red. Anyways, let's just complete the review, and in the end I'll tell you whether to buy it or not, which you can guess by my experience what I'm gonna tell you. It retails for 100 rupees for 20 ml of product, and the date of expiry is 3 years from the date of manufacturing. You can also see the month and year of import on the back of your packaging. And also remember that once you open the packet, it is a single time use packet, a one time use. You open it and you use it, you don't save it for later. I bought this sheet mask from Nykaa, and looking at the packaging, it looks like a real product, not a fake one. So maybe there's something in the ingredient that caused my redness. It has a very soothing smell, and when you apply it on your face, it kind of makes your face feel cooler. Not afterwards though. The serum is neither very thick or very thin. It gets quite absorbed into the skin very easily. It has some good ingredients in its list like glycerin, ginger root extract, licorice root extract, Camellia sinensis extract, rosemary leaf oil, grapefruit oil, tea tree oil, ceramide, etc. But it also has alcohol and some ingredients, one of which definitely caused my irritation, so I'll have to figure it out what caused this. It is marketed as a 7 free sheet mask, like it is free of 7 harmful or questionable ingredients, and it still irritated my skin. It is mentioned on the website that it is tested on sensitive skin, so it's supposed to be okay to be used on sensitive skin. What can I say? It has sodium hyaluronate 7000 microgram, and it is supposed to help soothe your skin and moisturize it, hydrate it. It comes in 15 variants, and some of which has like, they have different type of essences in it. Some has like watery essence. This one had this ampoule type of essence which does not get like totally absorbed, but it brings a lot of moisture. And the last one is like a lotion type, a little bit thick. I have one more sheet mask, the same one, a hyaluronic acid one from the Etude House. I don't know if I'm gonna be trying that, but I think I should try that. Maybe this was just with this mask, it may be an expired, it wasn't an expired product. Of course I saw the packet, but I don't know, maybe it was something bad. I'll try the other one and let you guys know. Coming to the other variants, I am still open to trying the other variants. Maybe if this one irritates, maybe the other ones may not. I am hoping for that. This is the first time ever that a sheet mask has irritated my skin. I've never felt like this after applying a sheet mask. Final verdict, would I recommend you guys to buy this product? For now, no. Let me try the other sheet mask that I have, and if that doesn't cause my irritation, whoever is watching can try it if you haven't already tried it. But for now, don't buy it, guys. It caused so much redness, and now I can feel the face is calming down a little bit because I washed the whole thing off and I applied aloe vera gel. But I just waited. I waited for like 10-15 minutes for the skin to calm down. I thought maybe it was just an initial reaction, but then the redness kept on increasing, and this forehead and this nose and the cheeks area, they were all red and burning. So no, for now, don't buy it, people, especially this specific variant. If you wanna try other sheet masks from the Etude House, go for it. Initially this sheet mask reminded me of the Face Shop, the Solution Ones range, because the sheet was very thin and the serum was almost like that, and it got absorbed also pretty quickly. The sheet mask adhered to the skin very nicely. It was moisturizing. I could feel the moisture level, but then nothing more to say about it. I love the Face Shop Solution One masks. The ceramide one, the moisturizing one is my favorite, but this one, not so. So that was all for the video, guys. I hope you liked this review. I burnt my face for you guys, so you must subscribe and like and comment. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.